Hello class third. Today I will explain third chapter of your computer book. The name of this chapter is The Right Way. In this chapter we will discuss about caring for our computer and caring of parts of computer and some rules that we should follow to care of our computer and what is the advantage of caring of computer and its part and what is the harm to not caring of computer. First of all, I will discuss caring for our computer. So what happens by caring of computer? Our computer will work much better and last much longer if we look after it well. Now I will discuss you some rules when we should follow. First, keep the computer room clean and cool. We should clean our computer with clean, soft, dry clothes regularly. Protect our computer from smoke, high temperature, humidity, food and drink spills. Always we use original software. Shut down the computer properly after finish our work. Install a good antivirus program because it protects our computer from viruses. Computer should be covered with dust cover when they are not being used. Floppy disks should be kept in jacket when not being used. We should not misuse school equipment. Now we talk about things we should not do. Don't enter the computer room with shoe on. Don't let your computer share an electric sockets with another large machine such as a fridge. Don't pull its wire and don't knock hard against any parts of the computer. Don't use paired software. Don't turn off computer on or off too many times through the keyboard. Don't download games and or songs from the internet too often. You might end up downloading a virus program and causes a virus attack on your computer. If your computer starts to give trouble, don't neglect the problem, even if it seems like only a small one. Call an expert and don't try to fix things yourself. Next, caring of your monitor. Protect your monitor from direct sunlight, humidity, high temperature. Keep it free from dust. Clean it with a soft, dry clothes. Caring of keyboard. Protect your keyboard from dust and grime. Keep it covered when you are not using it. Make sure your hands are clean before you work on it. Clean it regularly with a soft dry cloth. Don't hit the keyboard, press them gently. Don't bring food or drink near the keyboard. If these spiles onto your keyboard, it might be harm. Next, caring of mouse. Mouse pad is very essential to move the mouse, so we should use a mouse pad. The pad will protect the mouse. The mouse will also work much better on it. Remember that don't touch the mouse with dirty or sticky fingers. Clean the mouse with a soft dry cloth. Click on the mouse button gently. If the button gives trouble, you will need to buy a new mouse. Keep the printer covered when you are not using it. Before you start printing, always check the papers is in the correct position. Next, caring of your CDs and DVDs. Don't touch their shiny side because computer needs the data on this side. If this side gets scratches, there will be problem in reading the data. If they get dirty, wipes them carefully with soft clothes. Don't store CD, DVD in dusty, hot, humid place. Keep them away from direct sunlight. Don't write on them with a ballpoint pen. Use a special CD made for this purpose. Don't paste any stickers on the surface of the CD or DVD. If a CD or DVD get stuck in the player, take the help an adult. Don't try to pull it yourself. Next, I will tell you what is the benefit of carrying of computer. Faster speed defragmenting your hard drives, running spyware and virus remove program, as well as installing the latest drivers and software updates are all computer maintenance tasks that help keep your computer running at the top speed. Don't forget the window updates if you are running that in system. Okay, over this chapter, I have explained anything of you in this chapter, but one again, summary of this chapter I will tell you. Remember these points. Keep your computer always direct sunlight, dust, moist and smooth. Take off your shoes outside the computer room, as the shoes carry dust and direct particles inside the computer room. Don't use carpet or heavy curtains inside the computer room, as they attract dust. Do not use a wet cloth to clean the computer. Do not keep coolers inside the computer room, as moist air is harmful for computer. Do not take edible or soft drinks in the computer room, as they may spill on the computer component. Do not touch wires and power switches unnecessarily. Do not turn off computer and turn it on too frequently. Okay, all these discussions was in your book, but now I will tell you is in not your book, but I want to tell you some things to increase your knowledge. Why should we care of computer? But keeping computer well maintained can keep both viruses and malwares away and keep your computer running in tip-top shape. Regular maintenance can also help you ensure your antivirus software is up to date and working properly. Nothing can be more frustrating than a computer that processes too slowly. Here are 5 reasons to why it's good idea to maintain your internet network. First is detect issue early before they become problem. You have just gone out and bought a brand spanking new machines should give you a couple of years of number. Internet has less right. Maybe whether your computer is new or old problem can be popped up at any time. By using regular internet servicing, you can get on jump on the problem and make arrangements so that your business is not impacted. Using regular internet servicing, you can also help reduce your internet support cost by fixing during scheduled maintain window where other work is scheduled. Next one is prevent against viruses and malware. Viruses and malware are a pain to any business. Virus writers actively seek to disturb your business and access files on your network. When your computer is infected, a number of symptoms may be felt, from annoying slowdown to pop-up message or content emailing you about strange email you apparently send them. If your internet system is compromised, your business could be used as a launching pad to infect other business, which can have sequenced as compared. Start back listening your email address. If Microsoft Windows and your antivirus software is kept up to date, then it greatly reduce your chances of virus infections. As commonly known, internet loopholes are close to hacker and virus writers. If you do something If you do receive a suspicious email or come across something you are not sure about online, be careful with it. A moment haste you could cost a lot of productivity and money to be wasted. Remember, antiviruses is not foolproof. Always exercise caution, and if it doubt, contact your internet service provider. Next is speed up your computer. Over time, files that store on your computer can become disorganized and fragmented. This result is slow loading times and delay across two programs and files. By regularly running speed check and smart optimizations, we can speed up computer loading times and take care of these annoying pauses when you are busy and need quick and efficiency access to the files and software. Next, keep antivirus software up to date. Antivirus software is vital and every PC should be protected, but having antivirus software installed is not the end of your internet security. It needs to be up to date and working, and intended some office staff can ignore important warnings from antivirus program, mistakenly thinking that the system is just doing its job. It is important to check out these issues and make sure you are running that latest version of your antivirus software, as an infections could cost hundreds or even dollars to fix and can have a devastating effect of productivity. Next, maximize software efficiency. Computer age and over time they start to slow down software packages that perform quickly and efficiently to begin with can become sluggish and have a negative impact on productivity. Because this slowdown has occurred over many years, the computer users may have grown used to the issue, may think that is normal. It is not normal. And at SOHO system, we do regular check to ensure your software is running to its maximum efficiency. Often the answer is just a slight hardware modifications of a quick clean out of programs that are no longer needed. If the issues is more complicated, however, we can investigate and advise on the range of suitable options. Nothing is more frustrating than a computer internet service that are slow and full of glitches. At SOHO system, we will make sure that your internet network is regularly serviced and maintenance checks are carried out to keep your excellent internet support costs at a minimum, so that it's always safe, efficiency and delivering the right information to the right people at to the right time. Okay, over explanation. Copy the given assignment.